Hey Chaos fam, so I'm going to do a really quick design. I love this. I did this set on one of my clients and it was just so beautiful. I uploaded it to a nail page that I am in and everyone loved it so much and wanted to know how I did it, to see how easy it really is. So I used this like army green color because that's the color I used on her, but it could be any color. On top of this army green, which is acrylic, but you could do it in gel, it doesn't matter. I am going to use the Top It Off matte top gel from Beetles. I love this matte because it really does dry like a velvety, it cures a velvety matte, which is beautiful. So I am going to apply this generously on the nail, and then without curing it, I'm going to take the Elite 99 Color Gel in 5603, which is just your basic white gel. Super white, very pigmented, but these gels are very thick, so they're not my favorite. I'm currently looking for something that's a bit, well, not so thick. Like high coverage, but not so thick, because I feel like when it cures, it kind of doesn't cure super 100%. And I don't like that. Alright, so I'm going to take this brush that I cut up, and it doesn't matter if the hairs are frayed or spread. This is kind of what we do want. I'm going to dip it into the white just a little bit, and I'm going to start swirling it as if it were marble veining. And like my other designs, I love this because you don't have to be perfect with the placement of these lines. You can be shaky, which I am right now for some odd reason. Doesn't matter. And then whatever is left over on the brush, I'm just kind of gonna put it on the negative spaces to give it a bit more texture and depth. Alright, we have our guide. So now I'm gonna take a little bit more, and this is where I'm gonna do like my actual veining. And this is what gives it that marble pop. So it doesn't matter if it starts moving around. I'm gonna like swirl these, give it more of an effect like that. It doesn't matter if they start moving around. It doesn't matter if you get it in the exact same placement. Oh my god, I'm super shaky. But this makes it look beautiful. I think the shakiness is what gives it that look. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna cure this and I'll be right back. Alright, so that's cured and this is what it looks like with the Elite 99 Color Gel in 5604, which is just a very black. Again, very thick. This brand is very thick. I am going to draw a, what's it called? The Luna, the moon shape. Oh. I'm sorry, I'm trying to do this like really quick for you guys. And that's probably why I'm shaking so much. Alright. Let me grab another brush to fill this in quicker. Okay, that's good. Now, on the free edge, I'm going to draw an initial smile line. Let's see if I'm not taking way too much, which I am. I don't know why. Okay. I wish this would have been a bit thinner, but we're good. Now I'm going to border it on the free edge. Again, like I said, the consistency of this gel is like super thick. Alright, now that we have that free edge and the smile line, we're just gonna make some lines from bottom to top. They don't really have to touch. Try to give them more or less same amount of spacing. Just so it can be visually pleasing, but I mean, this is the easy part. The hardest part was, well, I guess the hardest part for people that were asking me the tutorial was how I achieved the marble look. I'm gonna cure this really quick and then I'm gonna do the magic. And I'm pretty sure I made a mistake on this one because when you do the matte top coat, you still have to buff it a little so that the chrome powder won't stick to it, and I did not do this. So what I'm gonna do is just show you. I'm gonna put the chrome over it. The nail that you're gonna see at the end is another one that I'll do with the correct way to apply the chrome. I mean, maybe I could get away with brushing it off like this, but I'm pretty sure some of it is gonna stick. This is not a super biggie because you can kind of fix this. And I will show you how. You just take a brush that you don't love, a brush that's not so brand new, and you take some acetone on the brush, and you can actually, you see, clean the edges. But to avoid going through all that trouble, just buff the surface of the matte top coat a little and you will achieve the desired look without having to clean anything. So I'll be right back with the finished nail. And here it is. I did it over. Obviously it looks a little bit neater because I wasn't trying to rush for the video. And all I did was, because we put chrome over the black, you have to seal it with a top coat. I decided to seal it with a shiny top coat. Don't mind my nails, they're horrible, I know. I decided to seal it with a shiny top coat just to give it, you know, that difference in top coat effects. So anyway, I hope you like that, and I hope you can try it on your nail table. See you guys in the next one. Bye!